As graduation approaches, seniors are facing some tough decisions. They may be choosing between jobs and graduate school and travel, and all of these decisions are tough because there's unlikely to be one perfect option. In 1772, Ben Franklin, in a letter to Joseph Priestley, explained a process to solve this problem. What he recommended to Mr. Priestley was to take a piece of paper and on one side write the pros and on the other side list the cons. It wasn't just how many pros you had versus how many cons, but it was actually how things would be weighted against each other. So for example, if we look here, having a flexible work schedule and more vacation days may be equivalent to a better salary, because with your additional salary you can take some days off, maybe without pay. And if I consider that better skills may be equivalent to working in a major city, then I'm left with whether an employer contribution to my retirement is better or worse than at least traveling 8 days a month. You're probably going to be getting a lot of different advice from a lot of different sources, and it's important to, one, remember to reflect on your decision because that's how you're going to be confident in it, and two, to remember that it is the best decision for you. And so you want to figure out how these different attributes are important to you and what's ultimately going to be best for you.